Hey guys, I'm Kushu. Welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. Today we're doing another hashtag Explore with Kushu where I explore hidden gems in Hyderabad taking you guys along. Today we have come to Tasty Train Restaurant which is in GSM Mall, Madinaguda, Hyderabad. I really love the overall concept of this place, starting from restaurant's exterior, entrance door, interiors, all are very unique, and this is the first train servicing restaurant in Hyderabad. All the details are super cute and very intricate. I mean that tiny trains and track which is carrying the food to the tables is very interesting. I'm sure everybody will enjoy this journey, be it kids or adults. If you have mistaken of not having waiters at this restaurant, you're wrong. There are people who take your orders, suggest you the specials you get in the restaurant as other restaurants. Which makes this unique is the food is served by a train. There are total 2 trains, each one has access for 8 tables, 4 each side. There is a signal right at the edge of the table. If your order is arriving, it turns green from red, and as soon as you unload your food from train, it goes back to the kitchen automatically, which is super cool. Coming to the food, we have ordered few varieties from starters, Chinese main course, grilled stuff and some desserts. I felt the prices were really reasonable and the quantity was good, and the taste was also good. It would have been little more spicy, but I don't really eat much spice, so it's alright for me. But if you eat spicy stuff, then this isn't the right place, but you can get more spicy if you ask for it, I guess. You can visit this place more for ambience and fun ride. Overall, it's a good place to go with your family, take kids, elders, everybody in your family. I'm sure they'll enjoy this visit so much. So that's it for today's Explore with Kushu. I hope this video is interesting and helpful in some or other way. If you like this video, you all know the drill. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also, don't forget to ring that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you all in my next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.